Hello friends, welcome back to Global Travel Venture. Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world for free? It may sound like a fantasy, but it's more attainable than you think. Imagine yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of the Maldives, exploring the bustling streets of Tokyo, or marveling at the grandeur of the pyramids of Giza. What if I told you that you could experience all these and more without having to spend a single dime on travel expenses? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that it's not only possible, but it's also a reality for many savvy travelers? Today, we're going to delve into an exciting travel hack that has been the secret weapon of countless globetrotters. It's all about leveraging credit card points. This isn't just about saving a few bucks, it's about transforming the way you experience the world. Credit card companies have been offering reward programs for years, enticing customers with the promise of free flights, hotel stays, and more. But most people only scratch the surface of what's possible. They fail to realize that with a little bit of knowledge and strategy, these points can become a passport to the world, unlocking destinations they only dreamed of visiting. Imagine not having to worry about the cost of that plane ticket to Paris, or that luxury hotel stay in Bali. Picture being able to spontaneously decide to explore a new city, knowing that your points have got your back. This is the freedom that credit card points can offer. In the coming minutes, we'll be revealing the secrets of how to earn these points, how to choose the right credit card, how to maximize your point earning, and how to redeem these points for travel. We'll also be exploring some advanced strategies for those ready to take their travel game to the next level. So whether you're a seasoned traveler looking to enhance your experiences, or a newbie eager to embark on your first adventure, this is for you. So buckle up and prepare for an adventure as we dive into the world of credit card points. First things first, we need to understand what credit card points are and how they work. Credit card points are essentially a type of reward that you earn for using your credit card. Think of them as a thank you note from your credit card company for choosing them over all the others. You earn these points every time you swipe your card, whether it's for groceries, gas, or that fancy new pair of shoes you've been eyeing. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, it's simple. The more you spend, the more points you earn, and the more points you earn, the more rewards you can redeem. It's a cycle that, when managed responsibly, can lead to some pretty sweet deals. But here's the most exciting part. These points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards. These could range from cash back on your purchases, gift cards for your favorite stores, or, and this is where our journey begins, free travel. That's right. Your everyday spending could be your ticket to exploring the world. How does it work, you ask? Well, each credit card company has a different system. Some offer 1 point for every dollar you spend, while others might offer 2 or even 3 points per dollar on certain categories of purchases. These points then accumulate in your account until you decide to redeem them. Redeeming your points is as easy as logging into your credit card's reward portal and choosing from the available options. Want to fly to Paris? Check if you have enough points. Dreaming of a cruise in the Caribbean? Your points could make that a reality. But before we get too carried away, it's important to note that not all points are created equal. The value of your points can vary greatly depending on the credit card and how you choose to redeem them. That's why understanding how your credit card's point system works is key to getting the most out of your rewards. Armed with this knowledge, we're now ready to explore how to maximize these points for our travels. Now, not all credit cards are created equal. Some will get you to your dream destination faster than others. Let's delve into the art of choosing the right credit card. This is an essential step in your journey to travel for free. Your choice of credit card should be in harmony with your travel goals. It's like choosing the right vehicle for a road trip. You wouldn't choose a compact car for a cross-country adventure, would you? The same goes for credit cards. Earning rate is a key factor to consider. This is how many points or miles you earn per dollar spent. Some cards may offer 1 point per dollar, while others may offer 2 or even 3. Imagine if every dollar spent could get you 3 steps closer to your dream vacation. Next, let's talk about sign-up bonuses. These are large sums of points or miles that you can earn by spending a certain amount within a specific period after opening the card. It's like a welcome gift, and who doesn't love a good gift? Some cards offer bonuses as high as 25,000 to 50,000 points. Then, we have reward options. The versatility of your points is crucial. Can you use them for flights only? Or can they also be used for hotels, car rentals, or even experiences? A card that offers various redemption options can be a real game changer. Finally, consider the card's annual fees. While some cards come with no annual fees, others may charge up to a few $100s. Yes, it might seem daunting, but remember, the perks and benefits can more than make up for it. It's important to remember that each card is unique, just like your travel aspirations. Some cards are better suited for frequent flyers, while others are perfect for those who prefer road trips or luxury hotels. Choosing the right card is half the battle won. Next, we'll learn how to earn points efficiently. Gathering points isn't just about swiping your card, it's about knowing when and where to swipe it. Think of your credit card as a tool, a key that can unlock a world of free travel. But to turn this key, you need points, lots of them. So, how do you maximize your point earning potential? First, incorporate your card into your everyday spending. This doesn't mean splurging on unnecessary items, but rather, using your card for the expenses you already have. Groceries, gas, dining out, even that morning cup of joe. Each swipe, each tap, each transaction is an opportunity to earn points. But it's not just about what you buy, it's also about where you buy it. Many credit cards offer bonus points for spending in certain categories or at specific retailers. Shopping at these places can multiply your points faster than you can say free flight. And let's not forget about those special offers. Credit card companies often run promotions where you can earn extra points for spending a certain amount within a specific time frame. This could be double points on dining out during the weekends, or bonus points for shopping online. Keep an eye on your inbox, your card's app, or their website for these golden opportunities. Paying your bills with your card is another great strategy. Utilities, subscriptions, insurance premiums, why not let these regular expenses work for you? Just make sure you pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Lastly, consider adding authorized users to your account. This could be your spouse, your adult children, or trusted friends. They'll have their own card linked to your account, and their spending will earn points for you. Just remember, you're responsible for their charges, so only add people you trust. Through these methods, your point balance can skyrocket, bringing you closer to your dream destination. It might seem like a lot to take in, but with a little planning and a few strategic swipes, you'll be jetting off to paradise in no time. Points are piling up. It's time to learn how to redeem them for free travel. Redeeming points can be tricky, but with a little know-how, you'll be booking your dream trip in no time. Let's dive right into the ins and outs of redeeming points for travel. Picture yourself lounging on a beach in the Maldives or exploring the wilderness of Alaska. With enough points, you can make these dreams a reality. The redemption process typically starts on your credit card's rewards portal. Most credit card companies have made this process as seamless as possible. You simply log in, select the Redeem Rewards option, and choose your preferred mode of travel, be it flights, hotels, or car rentals. Now here's where we need to be savvy. Not all redemptions are equal. The value of your points can vary greatly depending on how you choose to use them. For instance, booking a last-minute flight or a luxury hotel usually gives you a higher value per point compared to redeeming them for merchandise or gift cards. But watch out for those potential pitfalls. One common mistake is redeeming points without checking the cash price. Always compare the number of points required for a redemption with the cash price. This will help you determine if you're getting a good deal or not. Another tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. If you can travel during off-peak seasons, you can often get more bang for your buck. Remember, the goal is to squeeze the most value out of every single point. And finally, don't hoard your points. Points aren't like fine wine, they don't get better with age. On the contrary, credit card companies can devalue points or change their rewards programs at any time. So, if you've got enough points for that dream vacation, don't hesitate to redeem them. Congratulations, you're now a pro at redeeming points for travel. But the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, keep earning, and soon enough, you'll be jetting off to your next adventure. Ready to take your points game to the next level? Let's dive into some advanced strategies. First, let's talk about point transfers. Not all rewards programs are created equal, and sometimes transferring your points from one program to another can significantly boost their value. For example, you might find that your points are worth more if you transfer them from your credit card program to an airline's frequent flyer program. But remember, always check the transfer ratios and any potential fees before making the move. Next on our list is strategic card applications. This involves applying for new cards at the right time to maximize your rewards. Credit card issuers often offer large sign-up bonuses, but the catch is you usually need to meet a minimum spending requirement within a certain time frame. With careful planning, You can time these applications to coincide with larger planned purchases, helping you meet these requirements without unnecessary spending. Let's also consider the strategy of timing your redemptions. Maximizing the value of your points isn't just about earning them, it's also about spending them wisely. The value of your points can fluctuate depending on factors like travel dates, destinations, and availability. So do your research and time your redemptions wisely. For instance, you might find that your points go further if you redeem them for a flight during the off-peak season, or for a hotel stay during the weekdays. And remember, some programs may offer bonus redemption events, where your points are worth more. Finally, don't underestimate the power of loyalty. Sticking with the same airline or hotel chain can often lead to status upgrades and bonus points. So, if you find a brand that fits your travel style and preferences, it could be worth it to stay loyal. With these strategies in your arsenal, the world is truly at your fingertips. Traveling for free with credit card points isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality that's within your reach. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of credit card rewards, and if there's one thing to take away, it is this. With the right card, the right strategy, and a dash of adventure, the world can truly be at your fingertips. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points discussed. We started by understanding the concept of credit card points. These are not just numbers on your statement, but potential tickets to your next getaway. We then delved into how to choose the right credit card. Remember, every card is unique, just like every traveler. It's about finding the one that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. We also discussed how to maximize point earning. From dining out to filling up your gas tank, every dollar spent can contribute to your travel fund. It's about making your everyday spending work for you, and when it comes to redeeming points for travel, flexibility is key. Be open to exploring different airlines, hotels, and travel dates. With a bit of research and planning, you can stretch your points even further. And let's not forget the advanced strategies we touched on. Credit card churning, tiered rewards, bonus categories. These are just a few ways to supercharge your point earning. But remember, these strategies require a disciplined approach to credit usage. It's not about spending more, but spending smarter. So there you have it, the roadmap to traveling for free with credit card points. It's a journey that requires effort, planning, and a bit of savvy. But the reward? The chance to experience new cultures, see breathtaking sights, and create unforgettable memories, all without breaking the bank. So why wait? Start your adventure today and let credit card points take you to your dream destinations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, safe travels.